Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a full face makeup tutorial, and I will be doing my everyday fresh glow summer look, and I will be using mostly drugstore product. So if you guys are interested and you want to know how I made this look, please keep on watching. So to start with, I will be using my favorite sunscreen. It is from Neutrogena. It has 110 SPF. And I love this product because it's very easy to apply. It's oil free. And I use this also as my primer. And for my foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. And this foundation has sunscreen and SPF 15 as well. And also it is oil free. So I will apply it all over my face. I only need a small amount of foundation just to cover the redness of my face. Next is bronzer. I will be using the Maybelline Contour Kit Combo, and I like this product because it's very pigmented. So I will apply it on my cheekbone, and then I will apply it on my forehead and on my chin. And also I will be using it for my nose, to contour my nose or nose line. So next is for my eyebrows, and I will be using this eyebrow pencil, and this is from NYX. And I like using eyebrow pencil because I find it super easy for me to deal with my eyebrows. And next I will get a small amount of foundation, and then I will clean up the edges of my eyebrows just to get rid of the excess product, and you'll get the nice line of your eyebrows. So now let's move on to my eyes, and I will be using my favorite mascara, and this is from Maybelline. I like this mascara because it gives my lashes extra length and volume, and it's fast to dry. It doesn't really smudge on my face, and it's very easy to wash it off. And next, I will be using the Maybelline Ultra Liner. And as for my everyday makeup look, I like to wear a tiny wing liner, and I will apply that in the outer corner of my eyes, just like so. And next is the fun part. So this is the highlighter from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Metallic Highlighter. I will apply it on my forehead, on my nose, the tip of my nose, on my chin, and then I will apply it on my cheek. And I will also apply it under my eyebrows. and on the inner corner of my eye. And for my blush, I will be using this blush from Almay. I will put it on my cheek. And a tiny bit on my nose to give the sunburn look, and all over my face, I guess. And I went back to my highlighter just to add more shimmer. And for my lips, I will be using this liquid lipstick, and they are from Rimmel. And here is the final look. I hope you guys likes it. So for my everyday makeup look, I try to use less product because I have a super oily skin, and especially this summer, I don't want too much on my face. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you have any question, or if you have any suggestion or some products that you want me to try, please comment down below. I will be glad to try it on for you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time.